As you see, I take this off, it goes back into its original shape. Here is just a magnet. That right there is a magnet. This glass doesn't stick to iron. It doesn't stick to magnets. The iron inside here is what sticks to the magnet. So then, if I turn this over, a reaction with the iron and the magnet make the iron stand up like that. If I take it off the magnet, it goes back. So, that's how you get results like. So there is no editing in that. So I'll flip it over so you can. So I'm gonna flip it over so you can watch. So the iron is standing up like that because it's being attracted by the magnet. And I might do some research. Yeah, I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna edit it so you don't need to wait. I'm gonna do research to find out why that happens. So I'll be back. Okay, I did some research and I found out why this happens. Iron, which is in here, is actually what magnets are made of. So they're magnetic, and since this magnet is in the middle of this, and you put it in, it's all attracted to that one point. Since it can't all be in that one point at the same time, they're like pushing each other, trying to get to the middle where the magnet is, because iron is magnetic. They're all trying to get to that spot, but they can't. And since they're trying to get there, and there's all that stuff there instead that's blocking its path, it's staying there. So and since the magnet's it's getting attracted to the magnet, and as you see, it's all attracted to the same spot in the middle, so it stays like that. So I did some research to see. I forgot what the iron is made of. But I searched, why is iron magnetic? And on Google, I searched that, and it showed, and it said why. So, that is why this happens. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And also request for more videos. I only have 2 people that did that, and that's Crazy Tunes Animation. And one more, I forgot what the channel is. I'll edit it so I can go back and see what it is. It's the person that requested the black hole. So I made that. And so I'm going to edit it. I edit the video so I can check who made it. So I'll be back again. Okay, bye. So the channel that requested black holes is Eric Garcia. So there is a coincidence when that happened. I was already working on black holes. I looked in the comments, and somebody, which is Eric Garcia, requested black holes, and I was already working on it. So thanks, Eric Garcia and Crazy Tunes Animation. Check out their channels. So don't forget to, like they did, request videos and subscribe if you haven't, and tell everybody about us. So, bye.